Isn't it amazing how the world around us changes? But can we actually change? Are we able to switch modes and choose to transform the world to one that we can restore and care for? Life is about change, transformation from one state to another. In Pandalgudi, South India, at the limestone mines of Ramco Cements, we experience a commitment to change and a step taken towards restoring the environmental balance. A phase-wise project that began in 2019 on 65 acres covered the next 150 acres in 2020. By 2023, we hope to cover over 800 acres of worked-out mines in the area. So far, over 200,000 trees and shrubs have been planted on the land. This will rise to around 1 million once the project is completed. And because biodiversity is the key for permanent change, over 80 species of native trees and shrubs have been used in the plantation. Nature follows a process of succession, one life to the next. And we now know that a shift in our attitude towards the environment is essential if we wish to maintain a balanced habitat where we can continue to thrive as a species. The process of change is constantly around us, whether we are aware of it, or participate in it, or not. The great realization comes when we see that our actions can influence the direction in which change will take us. The opportunity comes from how we look at things in front of our eyes, how we see the world around us. Is it a wasteland devoid of potential, to be harvested each year for the meager growth such a degraded land can accumulate over a year? Or is it a chance to see a unique ecosystem that has the potential to unfold into something greater? A diverse habitat that can support a multitude of life forms, each uniquely adapted to the varied niches found in the newly formed landscape. Here we see the unfolding of a story of the change we can effect, one of restoration and hope. Our inspiration has come from the land itself and the remnants of native vegetation in the local area. For our project to be successful, and efficient, we need to work with nature, understand the solutions that already exist, by planting species that have evolved over countless generations to adapt to the local environmental conditions. However, this project is not only the result of a collaboration with nature. It is also a lesson about cooperation, the sharing of skills, and the acknowledgement that each member of the team, when given a chance, adds to the collective capacity for a successful outcome. Inspired by the nature around, we hope to pass this on to the next generations that come to visit the project site and learn about the processes and techniques of environmental restoration. As with all moments of conscious change, there will be leaders who propose the course of action. We as individuals can choose to embrace the change and understand the potential for actions towards change within our own sphere of influence. We can develop the skills and abilities available. One way is to train more people to understand nature and the environment around us, so that they can develop the next set of initiatives as more and more projects like this start in our efforts to restore the environment. This is not the only ecological restoration project Ramco has committed to. The aspiration is to establish restoration projects in each and every location they have involvement. For each and every one of us, there is the challenge. As we change, so will the planet we live on. Let's hope that enough of us choose to work with nature so that we are able to restore the environment we are so dependent upon.